Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing the gold merging app. So if you don't know what this app is, it is basically an app that you can play. You can just it's basically just like a 2048 puzzle game, and basically they claim that you can earn money just by playing. And the short answer is you can't. Okay, apps like these, there are a lot of apps like these, and they are too good to be true, and they don't pay you at all. As you can see right here, you can just play it like this. This is what the game looks like. As you can see, Gold Merchant is an enchanting and addictive puzzle game. Immerse yourself in a mystical world filled with vibrant and sparkling gold. Your mission is to strategically aim and merge identical gold to create more powerful and dazzling gold combinations. So as you can see, after you've reached a certain score or a certain amount of gold, they can actually cash out that gold or cash out money from them, and basically they're just a scam. So as you can see right here, this blog in myroomsmyoffice.com is they basically made a blog. Is gold merging legit? Does it pay? Now the answer is no. The game's early promises of $66 payouts and quick withdrawals are nothing more than smoke and mirrors. Before you hit that $300 threshold, the rewards suddenly plummet to a few cents cash per merge. No real money ever makes it to your account. Conclusion: if you've been gold merging hoping to make real money, it's time for a wake-up call. So if you've been playing this app or looking to download it and in the hopes of making money, please do not delude yourself. It is not real. Nothing ever pays you like this, since it is too good to be true. And if something is too good to be true, some chances are it is. So please do not install this in the hopes of making money. You can play it if you want. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.